In this video, we're going to explain the different types of users in EasyFileDrop and show how to manage those users within the app. Let's start at the top. There are three different types of users in EasyFileDrop: Team Owner, Team Member, and Form Viewer. The only difference between a Team Owner and a Team Member is that Team Owners can manage users, meaning they can add and delete users. Both Team Owners and Team Members can only edit settings for upload forms that they create. Form Viewers cannot create or manage upload forms and can only view the submissions for specific upload forms that they have been given access to. Let's dive in and take a look at how this actually works within EasyFileDrop. Let's log into EasyFileDrop and take a look at managing users. I'm logged in as a team owner, so I have a menu option that says Users. Here I can see a list of all of the users created for our team. I can see their name, email, the date the user was created, whether they're a form viewer, a team member, or a team owner. To the far right, there's a menu option where you can edit the user or delete the user. Let's go in and edit a user. Here, the important thing to note is that as a team owner, I can change the user's password, or I can check a box to require the user to change their password the next time they log in. And of course, you can update email addresses, names, and the type of role that the user is. You'll notice here, this screen will look a little bit different when we go into to edit a form viewer. Remember before when I said that form viewers could only access form submissions for the forms that they've specifically been given access to. So here we have the profile section for a user that is a form viewer. We can see here their role says form viewer, and underneath that we have a list of upload forms that our team has created, and there's only one of them checked. That means that Michael Scott, when they log into EasyFileDrop, will only be able to view the form submissions for the form that we have checked here, Branch Financial Reports. Let me log out of this user and we'll log back in as Michael Scott and see what that looks like. And now here you'll see a couple of important things to point out. First off, because he's a form viewer, there is no option for users. Next, he can only see one upload form, Branch Financial Reports. There's no submissions yet, but if there were, he would be able to view them. He cannot see the other upload form that has been created by somebody in this team. He can only see the one that he has been given access to. We'll log out. Now I'm going to log back in as David Wallace, who is a team owner. Now that I'm logged back into EasyFileDrop as a team owner, the users menu option is visible, and I can manage all of my users. Let's go to Pam Beasley and delete that user. She is a team member, and you'll see that we get an alert saying that the user, Pam Beasley, has one form that is going to be deleted and needs to be assigned to a new owner. Here, we can click the drop down and see that we have a list of all of our users that can be assigned ownership of this. It cannot be Michael Scott because his user role is set as a form viewer. So that means that we can assign ownership of this upload form to David Wallace or Angela Martin. I'll assign it to Angela Martin and say assign forms and delete the user Pam Beasley. Pam Beasley's user is now gone, and Angela Martin has received ownership of the form that we just gave her. Let's log out of David Wallace's account and log in now as Angela Martin and see what happens to that form. Now that we've logged in as Angela Martin, who is also a team owner, you'll see that the status of the upload form has been changed to draft. This is because Angela Martin now needs to set her own upload destination in order for the upload form to continue to be used. All of the form settings have carried over except for the upload destination. When you delete a user and reassign ownership of that upload form, the upload destination does not carry over. This is because the upload destinations are unique to each individual user because those are their cloud settings. Those are their Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive accounts. So now Angela Martin would connect this upload form to one of her cloud services, save, and publish the form again, and could start using it. We'll close out and log out of this user. That's a quick look at how to manage users in Easy File Drop. We hope you enjoy using it, and please, as always, share your feedback with us so that we can help improve Easy File Drop for everyone.